Hey guys, I'm back again, and as you can see, I got a box right here. What I'm doing is I'm planning on changing my system, and the front stage is going to stay the same. I'm going to change some amps and the subwoofer. I've got the subwoofer right here. Some of you guys might recognize that. Savard's back. I picked up one of their subs from a good buddy of mine. This is what I'll be using in the Mazda. It's a Rap 12. Single 4 ohm. Now I've modified my box that I had the blues 12s in. It was roughly 3 cubic feet, and this sub will work in 3 cubic foot with a 37 hertz tune port. And I've got a port in there. I just modified the hole, covered it up, and put a porthole on there. So yeah, I'll show you that when it's done. Alright guys, the Mazda setup's completely changed. Fixing to walk you through it, but I'm not going to give you any sound demos yet because I plan on doing a complete walkthrough of how I tune. So let's go look and see what we got in there. Alright, as you can see, I took out the 6 channel, and I've got 6 more channels and 2 different amps. This is a Lunar L450, 4 channel, 50 watts, and of course 2100 I just got through doing. Went ahead and built an amp rack to hide my wires. It's a lot easier this way than the way I had it before. Look and see. Alright, there's that Rap 12 I was talking about. That's the same box I use with my blues audio. I had to modify this hole just slightly. This a little bit oversized at blues. And this one, I built this cover, and I glued it real good. I got it secured, and then I have this 4-inch port. So it's 3 cubic foot at 37 hertz. I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'm going to ask you to do that. Part 2 of this video should be coming up within a week, so during that video I'm going to do my whole tuning process, walk you through that, and we'll do some sound demos and see what that Rap sounds like. So until then.